Here's the dirty secret about whoosh sound effects that no one tells you. Most video editors grab 1 or 2 good whooshes, then copy and paste it across the whole video. But that repetition kills immersion. Real movement has texture. A drone passing a mountain sounds different than text flying onto a screen. And your audio can feel the copy and paste, even if they can't name it. Good sound design is variety and intent. Even short whooshes have character. Windy, sharp, metallic, smooth, swishy, wishy, whooshy, low, and cinematic. When you match the movement and the mood, it elevates the whole experience. Don't just add a whoosh. Design a moment. Save this before you hit export on your next final V4, and let's raise the bar, not the noise floor.